Let us be the first thing, and we're going to put all Minnesotans first. All Minnesotans. Minnesota first. Say it with me. Minnesotans first. Minnesotans first. Minnesotans first. Minnesotans first. We have to fight for our own people. We have to stand. Governor Walsh, where are you? We need you. What are you doing for your people? The people sent you to office. Nothing. What, I can't hear you. What you say? Nothing. Say it one more time. Nothing. You're doing nothing. It's time that we have politicians in place and people in place that will put who first? Minnesota first. Who we gonna put first?
Minnesota.
Who we gonna put first? Minnesota first. We have to take care of Minnesota first. And the reason I say Minnesota first is because that's where we live. We were in Illinois, we would put Illinois first. But we're right here in Minnesota, and we have needs. We have people who are in jail who lose their lives because of this virus. We have people who are sleeping under tents who can lose their lives because of this virus. And I say no more. No more.
No more. No more. No more.
No more.
No more.
Minnesota first. Give it to me two more times, really loud. What? One more time.
Minnesota first.
I'm Minister Toy. I'm running for U.S. Congress.
And the warden threw him in solitary for 75 days for trying to organize the prisoners and get their parents connected with this group. And he ended up getting transferred to Edge City because of it.
That ain't right.
And now he's spending his 11th birthday in a row in prison, and it's all because of technical violations.
Not right.
That ain't right. Happy 31st birthday, Gilligan. Next week. How about that?
That's no kind of birthday.
No, it's not.
Oh.
That ain't right.
That's why I'm here.
That's right.
That's right.
That's why we're here.
I saw all of those men. So happy to see a face. So happy to know that someone cared out here. All those men who are yelling back and seeing that someone out here cared. It breaks my heart to know that they're doubled up in cells that are made for one person.
Freedom all!
Freedom all!
Freedom all! Freedom all! Freedom all! Freedom all! Freedom all! Freedom all! Freedom all! Freedom all! Freedom all! Freedom all!
Very last time I was in prison, right here at Lino Lakes.
That's right.
I got released from here 8 years ago.
All right.
And I don't plan to come back. That was the worst experience I've ever had. I spent 2 terms in federal prison, once in the state system in Minnesota, and I've never been so humiliated in my life. They call you sir, but they treat you like a dog. These people are standing down here are so used to being on their bully puppet instead of learning how to treat people like decent human beings. We wouldn't even have to be out here if people would start to be treated humanely.
Treat them right. Treat them right.
What they don't understand is we're here for them as well.
That's right.
They don't even know what they're doing by trying to propose a system that will swallow them up just like it's trying to swallow us up. I want to commend you people for showing unity. You see, they can't touch us when we show unity. We show solidarity and unity. There's nothing we can't accomplish. I love all of you guys. And we're going to keep coming here until we get somebody to really listen to us.
Yes.